12 acres, mountain views, and a location that puts everything within reach. Let's take a look. Set against a backdrop of rolling Catskills scenery, this property offers a rare opportunity to own a large, private stretch of land with the freedom to create something truly special. With over 12 acres of level, wooded grounds, there's space here to explore, expand, and imagine, whether that means a full renovation, a weekend retreat, or a long-term investment surrounded by nature. What really sets this property apart is the land. Two separate driveway entrances offer convenience and flexibility, while the acreage invites trails, gardens, outdoor gatherings, or simply quiet moments surrounded by trees and mountain air. Despite the privacy, you're just minutes from local shops, cafes, parks, and year-round attractions, from skiing and hiking to lakes, rivers, and small-town charm. It's the kind of setting that feels removed from it all, yet keeps everyday essentials close. This is more than a property. It's a canvas, and opportunities like this don't come around often.